So today we'll do this. I'll show you how to enter in the Tally software. Problems on exempted goods and SEZ sales. SEZ means Special Economic Zone sales. SEZ means Special Economic Zone sales. Now, the Chiranjeevi traders purchased the following exempted goods from Indira Traders, Telangana with supplier invoice number 4. So these are exempted goods category. Stamps comes in the exempted goods category. Goods category. Quantity 100, rate 250, amount 25,000. Now enter the above transactions in Tally software. So therefore, exempted goods category, there is no tax on that. To set as exempted goods category only. The second problem, they sold the following goods to HCL Technologies in SEZ Telangana. This SEZ sales is exempted by default. So whenever you are selling to SEZ sales, it nothing is mentioned the problem, then it is exempted. If they mention that taxable, then you have to create separate ledger called IGST ledger. If you're selling within the same state, you're selling to SEZ company, a company situated as SEZ unit. So you have to create IGST tax ledgers. Okay, in the problem, nothing is mentioned. That means it is exempted. SEZ sales, it is exempted. Okay, so if it is not given, if it is taxable, then you have to create IGST tax ledger. Even if you sell the products to SEZ unit within the same state, you have to pay IGST. Okay, then I'll show you how to enter the Tally software, exempted goods and SEZ sales here. This is a problem which I posted in the WhatsApp group for section B. Section A, I am not, I don't have the number of that as your CR is not in the class. So this is the problem which will do in the Tally software. I'll show you in the Tally software. So I'll show you the Tally software here. Now we will enter the exempted goods. What are the exempted goods are there? We will enter that first. Now first you have to create a company. You have to create a company. Alt plus 3. Alt plus F3. Alt plus F3. Create a company. So what is the name of the company you are creating there? Chiranjeevi Traders. You are a Chiranjeevi Traders here. So create Chiranjeevi Traders. Enter the address. Enter the state. Press Control plus A. Then see that the current period should be, this is current running year. How to change it? Current period. How to change it? Current period here. This is the current period. Go to Gateway of Tally. Current period. Change current period. 1/4/2021 to 31st March 2022. Now, what is the ledgers you have to create for exempted goods? When you are purchasing exempted goods, what are the different ledgers you have to create? Okay, so exempted goods, there is no tax for that. So, see the ledgers you have to create. You have to create a party name. Party name is Indira Traders. You have to create purchase. You have to create purchase ledger. Then you have to create inventory item, stock item called stamps. Okay, so we'll create Indira Traders here. Indira Traders. ALC. Indira Traders. We are buying from him means he becomes to us sundry creditor. Okay. So he's from Telangana within the same state. So press Control plus A or accept yes. Next you have to create purchases. Create purchases. Now GST applicable. Just say applicable. Type of supply goods. Okay, this is the second you have to create it. Now you have to create a stock item. Go to gateway of tally, press escape key. Go to gateway of tally, press escape key. Stock item, press I. Again, second time I. Then C. Stamps. Primary. Now stamps, you have to measure in quantity. The shortcut key, Alt plus C. Quantity. Formal name, quantity. So if you're not able to match, select others. Okay. Suppose in that list, in the unit quantity code list, not able to match, select others. Press Ctrl plus A. GST applicable? Yes. Set alter, press S, press enter key, type product name, stamps, type some number, HSN number, 6-digit SSN number, on value. Now it is exempted. Taxability is exempted. Okay. Taxability, it is exempted. Enter. Goods, select goods. Then Control plus A. Directly you can set Control plus A. Now these are the ledgers you to create while entering transactions relating to exempted goods. Now purchasing. Purchasing means you have to go to the accounting vouchers. Accounting vouchers. Press V. Press V. Select shortcut key for purchase voucher F9. Select shortcut key to purchase voucher. Select press F9. You get a purchase voucher. Enter the invoice number. The invoice number, it is given in the problem as 4. Type 4. Date is given as 1st April 2021. Party name Indira Traders. Press enter key. Purchase ledger, purchases. What you're purchasing, stamps. Again, you're getting a go down. You're getting a go down. So you have to deactivate the go down. How to deactivate? Press F11. Press F3. Sorry, not F3. F2. Press F11. F2. Now here have a go down. Select no. Control it. So that box will be eliminated. Stamps, how much you purchased? 100 quantity. How much for rate? 250 rupees. Total is 25,000. Now in this problem, because there is no taxes we have to pay, comes under exempted goods category. Therefore, we do not create any tax duties and taxes ledger. Okay, so save it. Control plus A. Control plus A. Now we have to verify where we can see this transactions. Which report? Is it 1, 2, or 3? Press escape to view the report or returns. Shortcut key from gateway of tally D O G, where we can see the purchase reports. In the 2, GSTR 2, select GSTR 2, enter. Now why it is not showing this one? Why it is not showing? Nothing is, it is a blank screen. Why? Anyone, can you tell me why it is not showing the values there? There is complete blank screen is there. Why it is not showing? Anyone, can you tell me why it is not showing? A complete black screen is there. Anyone? So no values are showing in this GSTR2 because it is a invert supply. In GSTR2 we will make purchase entry. Nothing is shown. Why? Why nothing is shown? What is the reason for that? Anyone from the class? All are sleeping? Let me check out who are sleeping here. Who are sleeping here? Akash, are you there? Akash,
Yes, sir. There.
why the values are not showing in the report, GSTR2 report, summary, return summary? Why values are not showing? Because we entered exempted goods, stamps, we entered 25,000. Why it is not showing? Akash, why it is not showing? In the GSTR2 report, it should show values 25,000. Why it is not showing? Akash,
Yes, sir.
Sai Kalyan, Sai Kalyan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Why the values are not showing in the report, GSTR2 return summary? Any guesswork? We entered 25,000 purchase voucher, but that is not showing in the GSTR2. Why? What is the reason for that? Sai Kalyan, any guesswork?
Sir. No, sir.
No guesswork. Ashray Jaiswal, 16 rule number. Ashray, Ashray, are you there? Yeah. Jaiswal, why it is not showing the values? Any guesswork, Ashray? 16 rule number. Any guesswork? It should show in the return summary. When even though exempted goods, it will show in the return summary. Why it is not showing? Ashray, any guesswork? Any guesswork? Ashray. Ashray, any guesswork? Ashray is not responding. Ashray just for 16. Any guesswork? Okay, now. Why it is not showing? Anyone? Now, if you see the one, see, one, it will not show outward supply. 3, it is a combination of outward and inward supply. Use summary, nothing is shown. Why? I see the dates are 1st April to 31st March 2022. Why it is not showing here? Any reason for that? Now we entered the vouchers. It's a display daybook. These are voucher transactions we entered in the purchase voucher, and it is an exempted goods. Means no taxes payable. Why it is not showing? Okay, so let us verify that why it is not showing. Now in that return DOG, you see the date 1st March 2021 to 31st March 2021. You have to change the date 1st April 2021 to 30th April. Is it right? 30th April, 30th, 31st, 30th April 2021. Is it 30th or 31st? It is. Yeah, 31st April. No response. Is it 31st April, 30th April? Is it 2021?
It's 30 April.
30th April, right.
31st March, sir.
30th April, right.
Yeah, 30th April.
Why it is not showing? Why it is not showing? Do you even have a reason for that? It is showing the return. Purchase voucher should show.
Or you have to do, sir. 31st, 4th. You have written 33.
Where? Oh, sorry. 34.
You have done mistake in.
Yeah. It is not coming now. Sorry. 1 4. See, this is the one. This is 1 4. 1 4 20.
First 3, sir.
1 4. What happened here? 1 4 to 38 4. No? What happened here? Nothing is exempted goods. To show an exempted goods category here. Anything, any help from you? Now, if there is any table here, exempted goods, any table here? Anything is there here? Does it show in the return? We have B2B, unregistered invoices, import of services, imported goods, credit, debit, notes registered, nil dated invoices, advance paid, adjustment of advance. So there is no such exempted goods in that. So can we see that it is there in the exempted goods? Okay. So
Yeah.
now I think this is not my opinion. I think exempted goods, does it show in the return? We will see. Does it show in the return? You will see. Exempted goods does not show in the return. Okay. It will not show in the GSTR reports. Now we'll go for the next one. We'll go for the next one. Now, next problem, the second one. Now we have SC sales. Same problem. He sold the goods to HCL Technologies in SEZ Telangana within the state, and that sales is also exempted. SEZ sales is also exempted. So first you have to create party name as HCL Technologies. Party name as HCL Technologies. Then you have to create sales ledger. You have to create sales ledger and HCL Technologies here. So we'll create sales ledger and sales technologies here. So ALC sales account, set alter no goods. So control plus A, then HCL Technologies, party name is because we are selling to him. It is a SEZ sales. This is a party name, Sundry Debtors in the same state, Telangana. Okay, control plus A. Then what else? So we create a inventory item as what is that product name? Product name is mobiles. So create stock item mobiles. Then quantity. Now you have to set, but GST rate you cannot because it is also exempted for SEZ sales. So there is no need of creating any tax ledgers. Okay. So yes, mobiles, some 6-digit code on value. It is exempted. Goods. Control A. Okay. Now we will enter in voucher. Sales voucher. Sales voucher is F8. So enter the number. Any reference number is given in the problem? No reference number. We put our dummy number. So party name, HCL Technologies, sales, mobiles. So how many are purchased mobiles? 10. So 10. No problem. 6,500. Total is this much. And this therefore it is exempted one. We will not levy any GST taxes here. Okay. So control plus A. Control plus A. So SEZ sales can be seen in that report. To view the report from Native Tally DOG sales report GSTR1. So here also it is not showing. Why? SEZ sales it should show under the this one. Which one? Exempted sales. Why it is not showing? Why it is not showing? I want your help now. Why it is not showing? This is a question mark to you. Why it is not showing? Any reason for why it is not showing? Any reason for this? Why it is not shown in the return report? Now, what we do is we'll make some changes. We'll show whether it will show in the report or not. Now, for the purchases, we go for the alteration mode ALA. Therefore, purchases, what we have done is purchases. We've done a purchase account. Now we'll say yes here. We'll say yes here. We have purchased stamps. Some code we will enter. Now you have to select nature of transaction is exempted. You have a list of nature of transactions here. Your list is there. Exempted. Where is exempted? You have to say, search it. Now you've done some alteration in the purchases. If I went to the stat information, set alter GST, we set to yes, the screen will appear before. That is the screen before you. So you have to say exempted because this is purchase exempted. You have purchased stamps, no? You have to mention exempted. Control plus A. Now similarly for sales, again under stat information, under set alter GST details, press Y, yes. Then mobiles. Now here, nature of transaction. Now we are selling to SEZ unit. You have to select where is SEZ unit. Sales to SEZ. Yeah, exempt. This is the exempt category. We are doing the problem as exempt category. SEZ sales exempted category. We selected exempted category. Okay. We selected exempted category. Okay. Now select exempted. Now where exempted, sales to SEZ, LUT or bond, sales to SEZ nil rated, sales to SEZ taxable. So we say select exempted one. Goods, control plus A. Now let us see whether it can be seen in the report or not. DOG. It is not shown. It is not shown. Now if say 1, it is not shown. So one thing is that whether it will show in the report or not. Exempted category. Exempted goods. Does it show or not? Now if you alter it in the day book, sales, we may alter day book. So control plus A. Now we'll alter it in the purchase book, purchase voucher. Purchase voucher. So press Y. So let us see that whether it is there or not. DOG. So nothing is shown. Nothing is shown here. So shall we change the date here? 1st April 2021, 31st March 2021. Sorry, 31st April. So we have total 31st April, 30th April. It is not showing here. So why it is not showing? We have to verify it. So we will say, okay. Again, check it once again. Why it is not showing? I don't, everybody is keeping silent and not helping me. Have you activated GST details here? Have you activated? No, we are not activated the GST details here. We are not activated GST details here. Okay, regular GST number, enter GST number, it is optional. You say no. Now this is as it is. Yes. Control plus A. Now we'll say DOG. It is not, yeah, it is showing now. Because you are not activated GST details, it is not showing the report. Now we activated it. Now it is showing mismatch here. Some mismatch here. What is the mismatch? Enter. Enter 3 times. What is mismatch here? Mobiles. Is asking enter the correctly nature of transaction. This is sales to SEZ exempted one. SEZ sales. We're selling to SEZ unit, HCL technologies. You have to mention nature of transactions. Here we have a list. You have to select sales to SEZ exempted one. Select the list, exempted one. Okay, enter. So no tax is there. So yes. Okay. Now you have to enter the GSTN number. The GSTN number, because you have not entered, it is not showing. So we'll enter the GSTN number. You enter the sample GSTN number. We enter the sample GSTN number as 36 AA triple A CU 2414 K1ZG. Yeah. There is no taxable value, 65,000. So based on value, yes. So we'll see in the report. Now it is showing now. This is showing under B2B invoices, business to business invoices. It is showing now. Okay. If you don't activate GST details, it will not show in the report. And if you don't enter the GSTN number of a particular firm, it does not show that. Similarly, we go for the purchase transaction. Now, any mismatch is there? No mismatch is there. So, exempted goods. So he said not included in returns due to incomplete information. We'll enter what is the information. We will enter it. Yeah, he's asking nature of transaction. You are not entered correctly. Exempted. So you select purchase exempted there. In the voucher details alteration, you select purchase exempted and purchase selected. There is no tax on the, press the enter key. Yes, I think it will show now. Yeah, it is shown. It is shown under which part category? Nil rated invoices. It is shown the nil rated invoices. Okay. Intrastate nil rated invoice. It is showing 25,000. There is no tax, exempted goods. So thing is, you have to enter your, you have to activate GST details. The first point. Second point is you have to enter in the purchase and sale transactions. You have to set alter GST, set to yes, and you have to set, you have to enter the nature of transactions as purchase exempted. And if it is SEZ sales, as sales to SEZ exempted. Then only it will show that. Okay, this is the way how to enter the transaction regarding the exempted sales, exempted purchases, and sales to SEZ unit. Both are exempted goods. So all transactions, whether exempted or nil rated or no tax, it will show at any cost in the GSTR report. GSTR 1, 2, and 3. I'll take the attendance now.